Hi mates, we're here at this year's IMTS 2018 in Chicago, the new exhibition. We're presenting two different models, two new models from Hydmech. The first model is the Hydmech H-320A, which if you all know about the old H-11, we've put a new design, a new look at the saw, and it's absolutely fantastic with new doors, new covers around the saw that really give machine enclosed in the box type of saw. At the front of the saw we have basically a panel which you're able to move around left or right, wherever you prefer. We are presenting the new control, the Hydmech Met50TS 5.1 control. Much quicker, much faster in order to operate. The other advantages that you can see are the front doors, easy to access, sliding front doors, and the possibility of opening in order to change the blade. The structure of the saw, fully cast iron, very rigid, but the main focus is the redesign of the covers. Again, all interlocked with CE regulations approved. The other advantage, on this side of the saw, we have again a sliding door where you can open. Easy access in order to tension the blade, to work around the saw. Looking inside the heart of the machine, what we've changed also is the shuttle system. If you guys recognize the old shuttle system, we didn't have rollers and plates in between. It's basically a similar type of the 230 and the 350 model that we have in our network and industry catalog. The overhead bundling, as you see, this is an optional feature. We have basically hinges where we can basically open and close, shut off the valves, either for the shuttle and also for the main vise. The other advantage, the other new feature that the shuttle has is that we have a floating device. So basically, you guys already know the MEP system, but we've implemented this also on the H-11, on the H-320 model that we've come out with. Again, the structure of the saw hasn't changed, very rigid, very strong, fully cast iron. The other part, as you can see below, is space inside in order to put blades in the mist system, which is accessible by opening the door and for the easy refill. Basically a fully enclosed machine, but in order to access the saw is very simple and easy. If you walk on the other side of the saw, even a window, as you can see, easy to see exactly what's happening during operation. So operators, aren't completely blind when they're looking at the saw. If we walk around the other side of the machine, and this is a really nice feature. For those problems that come up, you have to make a phone call, end user says, well, I don't know if I burnt the fuse, I have an alarm on the VFD. We put a window in, so we can actually check exactly what's happening on the VFD, on the relays. An easy phone call, but everything is accessible even from outside the machine, so the operators can really help you out in troubleshooting the saw on the telephone. Everything is visible. The other nice portion is where the hydraulic power pack is. Easy to slide off, same as a 230. So for any access of the machine, we can troubleshoot and we can actually access the hydraulic unit very easily. We've also put variable vise pressure. We've doubled the system out, so we have one for the shuttle vise and one for the fixed vise. They're independent, so if we need to reduce or increase pressure, all we need to do is adjust the two knobs that are easily to access. Air system inlet for the mist system on the machine, in the case that the customer does order the mist system. And the machine is already predisposed with, as you can see, covers in order to put power conveyors to, and any optional features that you may request upon order. Again, in the box, the machine footprint is very small, very compact, and